urban forests play an important role in benefiting the environmental conditions of their respective cities. They moderate local climate, slowing wind and storm water, and filter air and sunlight. As cities struggle to comply with air quality standards, trees can help to clean the air. Leaf stomator, the pores on the leaf surface, take in polluting gases which are then absorbed by water inside the leaf. Do you know our city of Ahmedabad has an urban forest? Yes, an ideal urban forest is being preserved by the renowned Center for Environment Education, CEE, right in the western part of the city of Ahmedabad in Taltage area. This 14-acre wilderness has more than 100 types of trees and other flora and fauna, is also a haven of migratory birds. CEE has come up with an urban forest camping for all age groups aimed at creating greater awareness, understanding and empathy on environmental issues. The nature experience has huge potential to trigger their sensitivity towards nature appreciation and conservation, leading to positive environmental actions at different levels. Come and join one of its regular overnight camps for all age groups, and experience the nature in its pure form right in the middle of this buzzing city.